episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something you are absolutely gonna adore. This is from Panda's Signature. This is their ramen noodle soup soy sauce flavor. If you're not familiar with this, you will be, especially if you shop at Walmart. People have been not so kind about this brand, I've noticed. I did an unboxing video, and so this one, the chicken one and the pork one, seem to be the ones that people had the best reception to. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this one. But people have been like downright not very nice when it comes to this stuff, so I don't know why. I mean, it's not my favorite, but I've definitely had much worse than this. Anyways, how you doing? Let's do our quote of the day and then get on with our day as the noodles soothe and relax. Alright, so we're on number I think we're on 180. Cooperation is important, but even more is competition. Okay. I like both. That's a tough one. So went out walking today, first day since Saturday. No, since last Friday. It's Wednesday. Yeah. So since last week. Jeez. I've had to wear my snow trackers, my snow piercers. Basically rubber bands with spikes on the bottom. They go on the bottom of your shoes. The snow is all but gone, and you're gonna get to see a outro. I did a really long, what do you call it? I did a really long video, time lapse, and we'll see how that went. We'll get to enjoy the hat. Let's turn the noodle a little bit, then I'm going to drop in the magic flavor crystals. If that's something you enjoy. Is flavor, there will be flavor. About a few seconds. Anyway. Yeah, so I got a new light. I got that light ring over there. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to get a reflection. Probably. I don't know. No. We do have noodles. Let's try that. So this is soy sauce flavor, so I don't know. We will see shortly. Sprinkle the flavor crystals. Thusly. Soy sauce flavor. So there's a lot of flavors that people have mentioned that they really don't like about this stuff. I'm gonna get it all the way stirred, then I'm gonna take a whiff, tell you what I think about the smell. Broth doesn't look bad. It smells pretty good to me. I think a lot of people have been like a little into the whole let's really complain more than we need to thing. The broth. I'd say it's got an interesting taste to it. It's not like it's bad, but it's just got a very interesting flavor. It doesn't make me go, that tastes like shoyu. It's almost beefy. I would definitely say this is more on the side of beef. I like the noodle. It's not bad. Yeah. This is what I would expect, ladies and gentlemen, out of, I would say it's better than what I would expect out of like ultra sub premium or sub economy pillow pack. I mean, come on, it's not bad. I think there's a lot of people that are starting to comment that are like just getting kind of silly because you're getting what you pay for, and generally you get a lot more out of what you pay for when you buy a cheap instant noodle. I mean, like 18 cents? Really? It's not bad. What did you get for 18 cents last time you had 18 cents and tried to spend it on food? Did you get a ketchup packet? I mean, come on. Come on, folks. Come on. Doesn't cost anything to be nice. Oh, it's so weird, the delay on this. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. You ready? Alright, okay. Yeah? Yeah? Okay, alright. I'm gonna throw in some... I like that. I want to eat more of it. But I've got a mukbang next, so I'm not gonna eat more of that. I will say that I like this definitely a lot more than the creamy chicken. Somebody was saying that it tastes like, it has the flavor of Lucky Charms. Like, no, it's corn. That has a corn flavor. And the reason it has a corn flavor is because there's a lot of Malaysian varieties that taste like corn. There's one in particular that I'm thinking of, and maybe they make this stuff. But when I hear that word reformulation, I'm like, yep, definitely from Malaysia, because that's what Malaysians do. They improve on things. Maybe this stuff would be more popular in Malaysia than it is here. I mean, but it doesn't matter. Splap. Oh, we got some spring onion that's gonna hang out right. Alright, now we're gonna go with some my little bottles go. Go with some shichimi. Some where's that one? Where'd my stuff? Where'd my stuff go? I don't know where it went. Ladies and gentlemen, I am unsure. Here's some of this stuff. Add some oil. Then we're gonna add some seeds. What else was I gonna add in it? I got other stuff to add in it too. Yeah. Yeah. All right. You know what this means? You know what it's time for when I bring this one out. Yeah, I'm sorry I don't have an egg today, but I do have fuego. There you go. Chashu, noodle-maki, laganma, spring onion, salad cosmo mung bean sprouts, a little bit of shichimi, some chili oil, and some sesame seeds. 18 cents? Really? What a deal! Why are you guys like flipping out? Anyways, let's watch it rotate. Maybe that'll do something. Thank you for watching. If you're watching this video for the first time and you're watching and you're looking at the review that's above this on the website, the picture on the side of the picture of the side and the picture of the bowl lid, or no, this isn't a bowl lid. The picture of the pack, that scan, was the first scan ever used by the new printer. So I did a GoFundMe to deal with an emergency situation, and I told everybody for the overflow from that I would get some upgrades for the site. And one of those was an 11 by 17. It's a wide format printer, but it's got an 11 by 17 scanner. I print like something every 4 to 6 months, but it was cheaper to do that and get the whole schmear than just get the scanner. So yeah, I'm jacked and stoked. So the next one that we'll have will be this one. Firewalk. I hope you're ready. Keep it smooth. Peace.